Hi guys, how's it going? It's Kevin here. Today I'll be showing you guys an unboxing video of this occupancy sensor that I bought on Amazon. This is the third one I bought. That's how good it is. This switch works with single pole and three-way. I bought this occupancy sensor switch off Amazon. Costs about $28 American or $40 Canadian. This switch works with all types of bulbs. The neutral wire is not required. This has a sensing technology that ensures the light stays on when the room is occupied. This covers 900 square feet and has a view of 180 degrees for the sensor. This works with the maximum of 600 watts for halogen bulb, 360 watts for LEDs, CFL, works with 5 amps ballast, 450 watts of MLB, BVM, BTM. It also works with fans, 3 amp fans and ventilators. So not only works with lights, and it works with fans. And this is the instruction manual. Additional ground wire. And that's it. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below on where on Amazon to get it. And this is the model number. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There's going to be weekly videos making for you. Peace out.